Blue jays, Cyanocitta cristata, are vibrant, intelligent birds native to North America, easily recognized by their stunning blue feathers and distinctive crest. These medium-sized birds typically measure about 10 to 12 inches in length and are known for their complex social behavior and vocalizations. Blue jays are omnivorous and have a diverse diet that includes nuts, seeds, insects, and even small vertebrates, making them opportunistic feeders. Their sharp beaks are well adapted for cracking open acorns and other hard seeds. Notably, blue jays are clever and resourceful, often hiding food to eat later, which contributes to their role in forest regeneration. Their striking appearance and vocal mimicry attract birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike, further emphasizing their ecological importance.